winter time, and now we are here in springtime. The ski resort in Almaty, which is called Shimbulak, and we are going to up for help this rope road. Beautiful looks, yeah, mountain, and there is a horse. It is called rope road. It's a Christmas tree, a lot of Christmas tree. What is it called? Yeah. We are going to down now. Now we are slow down, and after this we are going to up down. We should take gloves and any hats like this. There is maybe it's about 0 Celsius degrees in the final station, maybe -2, -3 degrees. It is enough cold. We started getting up in this road, in this part, this rope road. Every people who meet in this rope road in the different direction away say to each other hello, nice to meet you, have a nice day, like this. Surface these mountains consist of middle size stone and the big size stones, if to be honest, such as big pile of snow. Look at this, we are getting into these clouds. Those rope road going to the Talgar Gorge. There is Almaty. such a beautiful castle in the mountains in Shimbulak ski resort. It is a climbing wall at the Shimbulak ski resort. It seems to me now can be rain from this cloud. Blue cloud can be very dangerous. I hope that we can get to bus stop without rain and we can get to bus stop dry condition. It is raining heavily. We are abated. This raining heavily, and we are going to bus stop to Medeu. It is a hot source of water which is called Gorельnik. Shimbulak, it is a new way for hiking near this cafe which is called Покажу, near this Горельник. It is such beautiful rainbow. Road rope was stopped.